What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the Ninebot E2 Pro in 2026, and actually this scooter is right here right now, and till now it's December 2025, so actually this video is for next year, and you will understand whether it's still worth to buy in 2025, end of 25 or 2026. So actually let's move on with the characteristics. As you see how it looks like, actually this top speed is 25 kilometers per hour, the maximum range up to 35 kilometers on optimal conditions. So we can assume that on a sport mode, it's in eco mode maybe 30-35. In a drive mode it will be around 25, I guess, and in a sport mode I guess it's 15 kilometers maximum. So it can depends on your weight, of course. Although the battery here is 7650 mAh, lithium battery 275 watt hour here, smart BMS 5 hours charging from 0 to 100. This motor is 350 watt is nominal wattage and 750 watt is the maximum one, so it's located in the back wheel here. Although you can climb maximum up to 18% scope, and the top tires 10-inch, as you see here, how both 10-inch front and back. They're also puncture proof, tubeless, air leakage proof, also installed here. Front drum brake, as you see how it looks like here. So it's actually drum brake, and the back is electronic one. When you press the brakes here, it's actually, as you see, front works well. I don't know whether, okay, you can see it, I guess. And the back is electronic just for support. The maximum ride weight is 100 kilogram. And actually unfolded dimension is almost 1.2 meters. And top also 1.2 in the length, and here we have 54 centimeters maximum. I guess it's here in a wheel. IPX4 waterproof for 3 modes. Also have tracking control system. Also this full color info dashboard. You can see the speed, battery, Bluetooth indicator is here available. Actually quite nice. Also pedestrian mode just for walking. The flashlight, that's how it looks like. Also, you have this flicker in front, this mechanism to fold it up and down. Here you have the Ninebot logo. Also, additional flickers here. And from back you have the stopper here, you have the light indicator, everything. This actually metal, yeah. Okay, it's rubber cover. As you see, the rubber is like this and looks good, works well. Actually it's plastic everywhere, but seems it's okay. Here you have the charging port available, so as you see it here. And in general, nice condition, looks good. And let's show what we have in an app. As you see, I have it here in my app, E2 Pro. In Eco mode it's shown 36 kilometers range and 91% charge. So let's switch in drive mode, it's showing 32. I don't think it will go like this. And in the speed mode it's like 25, so I can assume it will be a bit less. What you have from the settings here, you can enable guard mode, you cannot power on, power off using the app. You have the dashboard here available, although settings, so the start speed settings, 3, 4, 5, not that much choice actually. Energy recover, weak, strong or disable, metric system, it's empirical or metric, locking function, actually just close, tracking control, activate on off, and that's actually it. Black box data available, so you can download it. So we have total mileage here, vehicle temperature, master control version, battery version, Bluetooth version. So as for now it's the latest version available. Firmware update log is available as well, and battery details. Also you can check the capacity here. You can see actually the current, voltage, total capacity, temperature, serial number and version. Also in firmware update log you can see when it was last time updated. Let's check it out. So actually by the dates, I guess, what's new in each firmware is here. Actually quite good to have trace of it. That's actually it. You can unpin the scooter, and here is the fast settings. So not much settings available here. So this device is actually quite budget one. You have limited options, but also it can be unlocked to 32 kilometers per hour. I will show it in my next video how to unlock it, what you need to do, different methods of unlock. Let's check what we have here. The brakes, actually the brakes are working well. Also the sound, then left and right indicators. Here is the gas control. Just press on gas for 2 seconds, power twice, switch mode, light, power on. Okay, there is just explanation how to use this power button. Here is a power button. One press it's just a light, two presses change the mode. Here is a battery indicator, Bluetooth indicator as well. So in general, it's a budget model, but it's pro version of the budget model. So you have a bit more, you have better battery, you have better wheels. Also, actually here it's a wheel pump. You can pump it up using this thing. And in general, for this price, it's pretty good option. You have something here to handle. Also, this is how you can fold it. Let me show you how to fold it now. In order to fold it, you have from this side special thing that you need to unlock. When you unlock it, you put it down and it's ready. So now it's fully locked. Then do the same thing back. So unlock here first, then go up and fix here. So as you see, it's locked. Also, this seems a bit shaken. I know how to fix it. I will show you in the next videos. Also, you have this metal things for standing. Actually, it's also not so good. As you see, just the angle is really going to down. And here you have on the bottom plastic everywhere, plastic. But for this price, it's really good device and working quite well. Alright, actually the price of it right now, I bought it second hand for around $250, which is really perfect price. The new one, I guess, is around 450, 400, which actually is, I think you can find a better option for this price. So as a second hand device, it's really nice and worth to buy. Basically, that's pretty much it. In case you still have some questions, just put in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.